Hi there, students. Frisk. To frisk, a verb. Frisky as an adjective. And even friskily as an adverb. Okay, frisk has two different meanings. The first one is to search somebody by feeling their body or clothing. To pat down. The policeman stopped and frisked a young black man looking for a hidden weapon. There you are, racial stereotyping. Or at the airport, when you go through security and you take off your shoes and you go through the arch and it goes beep, 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 then they frisk you, they search you. And that's to frisk, okay? The second meaning of to frisk is to dance, to jump, to skip, to move playfully and energetically. The children were frisking about on the lawn. The lambs were frisking in the field. The dog frisked its tail, moved it energetically. So to frisk, to jump about happily, to be full of energy and feel really positive and great about things. And then from this we have the adjective frisky, meaning lively, full of energy. The kids are very frisky this morning. Maybe too frisky for me. Yeah? Abounding with energy and enthusiasm. You can also use this word frisky, meaning wanting sex, to be horny. He felt frisky. The idea is energetic and playful, yeah? We might even say as well, he told some frisky jokes, some dirty jokes. So, to frisk, to search. They frisked me before entering the building. Or to frisk, to jump and dance about. He frisked all the way home from work, having had good news. Okay, let's see. To frisk is a regular verb with both of these meanings. They frisked me, they have frisked me. The lambs have frisked in the field all day. I think both of these meanings I would give a 6 in formality. To frisk sounds a bit technical, and to frisk to dance sounds a little bit literary. I think in an informal conversation you could also use to search or to dance about, lively, something like that. But I think to frisk you can use it in an informal conversation and in something very formal. As to the origin, well, there's an old French word frisquer, meaning lively, and that probably comes from Proto-Germanic friskaz, meaning fresh. So, to frisk, to pat somebody down, to search them, to look for weapons or other things. And to frisk, to jump about playfully and energetically. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Frisk and Frisky.